Hello everyone, this is Z66, or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my Premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them. And of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hello everyone, it's Z66, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic. And now we've got an even bigger thing. We have XtremepowerUS Kit off Amazon, which is highly well rated. Model number 71098. I got the bigger motor one. This is the 4 cm fan for refrigerant vacuum pump manifold set, and leak detector set, which was a better deal than you could get at Harbor Freight. So let me go over the specifications. 110 volt, 60 hertz, 1 amp, 1/3 HP motor. 4 cm fan, single stage rotary valve vacuum pump, high efficiency low noise with internal high volume cooling fan, heavy duty aluminum casting, oil drain plug position bottom of oil reservoir, exhaust port with exhaust cap, comes with storage bag, bottle of vacuum oil, manifold set, and a leak detector. I spent like $140 on this whole kit of everything, and it was the best deal I could find. It's even better than Harbor Freight. I know, blasphemery, because for a similar kit I'd be like almost 300 in, and it all came together. And it comes with a cool storage bag from what I saw in the photos. But this has been really well reviewed on Amazon, and I don't just exclusively buy from Harbor Freight, I do buy a lot from Harbor Freight. I try to support my local businesses, I know my local multinational businesses, but I do have some friends that work at the Harbor Freight. Specifically my local Harbor Freight manager, I've known him a long time. So, slide, oh my gosh, this is a little heavy. Boom! Bam! There we go, we've got a nice little carrying case, and this is a lot better quality carrying case than I expected. They actually put some effort into this. Doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel like it's gonna tear easy. Oh, that's pretty neat. It's got little subdividers for everything. So let's open up the big boy, the big mammer jammer, if I can. I also bought this before the tariffs really started rolling in. We got a little bit of a trade dispute with China. Or how is it pronounced? China. This is the little divider that came out with it. Let's get a knife. I think we were using this one today. Yeah, but I wanted this because I plan to fix the AC on my truck. And you might say to yourself, wow, that's a lot of money put into all these tools. Yes, but I don't plan to just fix my truck. I kind of have a bunch of coworkers that want me to fix their stuff too. So, instructions. It doesn't ship with oil in the reservoirs I just read. That's definitely something you're going to want to do. Just throwing my trash on the ground like an adult. Bet it. I'm so happy. That little joker's heavier than I expected it to be. Alright. And I like that they sent the oil wrapped in styrofoam in a plastic bag, so that way in case it busted, it wasn't a poop storm. Which I'm probably going to keep this little bit of bubble wrapping and stick it back in there. There we go. Alright, let's read. So this is the fan back here. exhaust cap. And it's got an oil port, which is really nice. And the drain plug is right down here. And it looks like it's a 5mm hex, if I could guess. Exhaust fitting. Oil fill cap. Side glass. Aluminum housing. And this aluminum housing actually feels like really nice quality. And the carry handle is nice. Yeah, it's definitely gonna. It's got a little oil that it was shipped in, but it's definitely gonna need it because I imagine they test them before they send them out in the factory. So it goes in here. This is the exhaust. This is a lot quieter than I expected it to be. I have totally made a mess everywhere. That's not everything. We still got some more tricks in the bag. Gonna throw the trash on the ground. Germany technology leak detection expert. Be right back. Go! It's alive. See if it'll detect Freon leaking from a can that hasn't been opened. Anyway, cool beans. It works. I don't know how well it works in refrigerant detecting, but it came with the kit, which I thought was a pretty awesome value to have. Definitely gonna use that in the future. Man, I'm gonna have to edit this like no tomorrow. And finally, boom. Ah, it came with the connector I bought. Ah, snap fun. Manifold gauges. I'm not going to open up the hoses just yet because I don't need to. I'd rather, but they look to be high quality. They feel fairly thick for the price I paid. Got some connectors. Yeah, I'm going to definitely keep this padding to wrap around this stuff to protect it. Alright, well this is very nicely machined. Feels like good quality. We got our line low and high port. And it comes with all little directions and stuff. Nice, nice. And these look like connectors straight up for different. These might actually be Schrader's for the old R12 connectors. I don't know. But these feel very nicely made. Just pop. And since we got these look almost the same, but the mountain one I mean, this one's a little shorter, that one's a little, I mean, if I didn't know any better, I would say they're made in the same factory in China, or just about the same factory. So I have some spare stuff. Alright, well that was kind of a meandering premature evaluation, but you'll see this for your use for sure in the future. Alright, well this has been Z66. I hope you enjoyed. You have a good one.